guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I got another Protein World unboxing video for you. So the first product that I picked is the Slender Porridge. It looks so delicious. It's 201 calories. It's low in sugar and high in protein, which is great. So this porridge is part of Protein World's best-selling weight loss plan, the Slender Plan. This combines all you've ever wanted from a weight loss plan and more. It's basically oats and whey protein concentrate with sweetener, fortified with vitamins, minerals and botanicals. So all you have to do with this one is basically add a few scoops into a bowl and mix it with either water or milk, that's up to you. Then you can heat it up in a microwave as well. So if you want to lose weight, then this is a really great way of substituting one of your meals. Substituting 2 daily meals of an energy restricted diet with meal replacements contributes to weight loss. Protein contributes to the maintenance of muscle mass, which we all know and which we strive for. So this next product I already showed you guys in my first Protein World unboxing video. This is the milk chocolate flavor protein powder, which I use every single day and I really love it. I feel like other protein powders are a bit too sweet when you mix it with water or milk and you just drink it, which I like to do before or after my workouts. And this one has a really good taste. It's also sweet, but it's just not too much. The flavor is really nice. I like the milk chocolate flavor, but they have loads of different other flavors as well. I also use it for my oats. I like to use this to sweeten my oats. The next product I'm really excited about. This can be another form of meal replacement. I got this in chocolate mint flavor, which sounds really good. Again, it has no added sugar and it's high in protein. So this is a meal replacement shake for weight control with protein. So you can have this product either as a snack or as a meal replacement. For meal replacement, add 4 scoops to 400 milliliter of almond milk and shake well. Of course, you can use oat milk or normal milk, any milk of your choice. And if you want to have it as a snack between your meals or a post-workout snack, then again you just add a few scoops to water, shake it well and drink it. So it's really easy to make it. I'm so excited to try the chocolate mint flavor, so I'm definitely going to try this as well today. So the last product that I picked is the Slender granola. So this granola is with chocolate flakes. This product is so good if you don't have a lot of time to prepare breakfast or a snack in between your meals and you want something delicious, you want something sweet but also healthy. You can have this on its own if you want. You can have it with milk, some yogurt. I like to put it on my oats. With the help of these products, I am going to be so good at making sure that I consume enough protein every single day, which is really going to help with my fitness goals. I am so grateful to Protein World for sending me all these products. I am really happy with them, and they are also so easy to make and use. For example, the pancake mix which they sent me in the first box, it was so easy to prepare and to make it. It's such a healthy, filling and delicious breakfast. So I am going to try the Slender blend, and I'm only using 100 milliliter of milk. I'm using oat milk, so I will only need 1 scoop for this amount of milk. I love the smell of the mint. It's so refreshing. The mint and chocolate just go so well together. It's so refreshing. It tastes amazing. This is definitely one of my favorite products from Protein World, and I will be drinking this before my workouts for sure. So now I'm going to try the porridge, which I'm really excited about because this is something I eat every single day. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm only going to add 2 or 3 scoops just because I'm making a small portion now and I just want to try it. I don't usually use oat milk, but now I ran out of normal milk. Mix this up and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 45 seconds. And I'm going to put it back for another 45 seconds. It smells amazing. That was so easy to make it. I love it that you can make it in the microwave. I'm also going to try this granola. This is good. This is really good. This porridge is so creamy. Usually when I make my porridge I have to add loads of milk and I still feel like it becomes a little bit dry, but this is so creamy. And the granola is really nice too. I like the little chocolate pieces in there. So these are all the Protein World products that I got for this unboxing. I am really happy with the products that I picked, especially the Slender blend, which has the most amazing taste. If there is something you are going to try from Protein World, I think it should be this one. If you like mint and chocolate, it tastes amazing, but I'm sure all the other flavors are really good too. Once again, I'd like to thank Protein World for sponsoring this video and sending me all these products. I am really happy with all of them, and I hope that you guys found some products as well that you would like to try. I am going to leave a discount code for you guys to use in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.